This is XAMPP. You would need it if you are creating WordPress websites offline or other content management systems that use PHP based. That brings me to the next point. You could use it for PHP based projects, learning, and if you're planning to understand more about how databases work. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can install XAMPP properly so that you don't have any future errors or problems. So first, let's go to XAMPP for Windows. This one here. If you have Linux or Mac, you can choose one of these ones, but for this example, I'm going to do Windows. Now I'm going to wait for it to download. If it hasn't downloaded, you could just go here and click this button here. I'm going to click accept, and I'm going to click the latest version. So now it's downloaded. I'm going to save it in my downloads folder. In my case, I already have one, but I'm going to save it again anyway. Now I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Here in my downloads folder, I'm going to double click. You might not see it, but there's a window asking me to say, do I want to make changes to my device? You click yes. So now here you click yes and OK. Then you click next. Check these. Check to see all of these are checked. Then next. This is important. We want to make sure that we have the right folder. In my case, I've already got a folder. But if you click this folder here, and you want to make sure that when you're creating a folder, it's actually inside of your users, and this folder is the administrator folder. Yours might be different depending on what you named that file when you first started your installed Windows on your computer. So this is the location you want to go to. So it's C drive, users, and inside your administrator folder. Here I already have a folder called XAMPP. You can go to your Windows File Explorer and you can create a folder called XAMPP. I've already done it, so I'm going to leave it here and I'm going to click OK. So once you've done that, you click next, next, then you click next again, and then we wait for it to install. For now, I'm going to wait for it to install and I'll see you in a bit. Now that it's finished installed, we can either leave this and click finish. So now that it's installed, we can click start from here, but I'm not going to do that right now. This is what I'm going to do instead. Click X. You can go to your search and you can type in XAMPP. Now that you've typed in XAMPP, make sure you click Run as Administrator. Yes. Now I want you to click these two modules on. Yes. Yes. And then click Start and Start. We go to our web browser And in the search box, we type in localhost. Then we click search or enter. And as you can see here, it works perfectly. We click my PHP My Admin, you can see that it's perfectly connected. And again, just check to see if it's perfectly connected. We go back to the control panel and we look to make sure it's connected. So the crucial step to all this to make sure it works successfully is to make sure that when you install XAMPP, that you make sure it's in your C drive, users, and your administrators folder. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment, and I'll update you with more content soon. So see you later.